Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little share. I have my Die Hard club set from the Stamps of Life. And so here's my share. And woohoo! Oh, and she included a free die because I am a Die Hard member. So if you only get the stamp set, which you are able to have that club, then you won't get this free die. But look at this window, cuts out the stamp. So it always goes together. Here's the little inspiration card. How cute. So it says, welcome home, hello there, be happy, keep dreaming, miss you. The window panes with a cat, and in the die there's extra panes, and then this piece goes above for that half circle window above the windows. Cute. So yeah, this is November's Die Hard Club set from the Stamps of Life. If you're new here, welcome. For more videos like these, subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. And until my next video, you can find videos here. Shakas.